Greetings to everyone. This is Lakshan from VSB Engineering College. Today I am going to explain our projects. We are consist of 6 members. Myself SJ Lakshan, S. Megalarasan, Bhubadi, Yogesh, Rajashekhar and Sudajeevan. We did projects on Internet of Things and Computer Vision. It totally is 3 projects. I am going to explain about one computer vision project, which is on-spot effects. What is on-spot effects? I think everyone is aware of Doctor Strange from Avengers, where while he doing hand like this, there will be a circular thing that is called as shield, where it will be taken off after the movie shoot. They will shoot with green screen so that his hand will be in front of green screen. Backside it will be green screen. After that, in editing part, they will add a golden yellow color round thing. That is Doctor Strange shield. In my project, we are going to bring it in real time. We are using computer vision package so that using laptop computers, cameras, it will detect our hand. 5 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will detect these 5 points. After a circular motion will be formed. So that here, not only the Doctor Strange shield image, any image we can bring here in live. While we show like this in front of the camera, the effects will be there in the monitor. We can see in real time. So that this will be helpful in editing field. Likewise, we did a project in hand cricket where we can play with computer. Like I am player 1 and computer is player 2. If I give the input as 1, it will give the any other input 1 to 6. If the same number came means we will be out. After that, computer will be back. This is second computer vision project. After that, Internet of Things. We made a Rover which can be controlled using audio, Bluetooth remote. And motion detection, like tilt. If we tilt in right side, the wheels will go in right. If we tilt in left side, it will go in left. That like. These are the projects we did in our third year. Thank you.